How does a drone work? You've probably seen a drone flying over a park, filming a wedding, or capturing stunning aerial views. But have you ever wondered how this small flying machine manages to stay in the air, move with such precision, and even return to its starting point all by itself? The basics of flight. Thrust. A drone doesn't fly like a bird or a traditional airplane. It uses several rotors, usually 4, that spin at incredibly high speeds. These spinning blades push air downward, and in response, the air pushes the drone upward. This upward force is what we call thrust. When all the rotors spin at the same speed, the drone hovers steadily in place. But what happens when it wants to move? Movement, controlling balance. To move forward, backward, rise, descend, or turn, the drone adjusts the speed of specific rotors. For example, to turn left, 2 rotors slow down while the other 2 speed up. It's a bit like a cyclist leaning into a turn. The drone shifts its balance to go in the desired direction. Staying stable, the gyroscope. Now, here's the tricky part. How does a drone stay balanced, especially when there's wind or sudden movements? That's where a small but powerful device comes in, the gyroscope. This electronic sensor detects even the tiniest tilts or shifts in the drone's position and instantly corrects them. Think of a tightrope walker constantly adjusting their arms to stay upright. The gyroscope does exactly that, but it makes adjustments thousands of times per second. The drone's brain, the flight controller. All these movements and corrections are managed by a tiny onboard computer called the flight controller. This is the drone's brain. It gathers data from all the sensors, processes commands from the remote control, and adjusts each rotor with incredible precision. Modern drones aren't just about flying. They're equipped with GPS, high-resolution cameras, and even infrared or ultrasonic sensors. Thanks to these tools, a drone can track a moving object, avoid obstacles in real time, or automatically return to its launch point if the battery is low. In summary, a drone is not just a flying toy. It's a sophisticated blend of physics, electronics, and smart engineering. Everything it does, from hovering to filming, is powered by the science of motion and precise control. So next time you see a drone in the sky, remember, it doesn't fly by magic. It flies thanks to the brilliant science of movement.